Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Wallet to your lock screen. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Google Wallet downloaded in your phone. After that, you'll have to go to your phone settings. After going to phone settings, we are going to go to lock screen and AOD. After that, click on edit lock screen. In Edit Lock Screen, you will be able to edit the two shortcuts on the lower right corner and the lower left corner. So I'm going to click on the lower right icon, and then from here I'm going to select Google Wallet. After that, we're going to click on Done on the upper right corner, and then the settings will be saved. And now if you go to our lock screen, you will see something like this. As you can see, Google Wallet is now in my lock screen and I can access it from my lock screen. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.